Which of these is least likely to be affected by crosswinds? Select 3 answers. When filtering through slow-moving or stationary traffic, you should look for vehicles changing course suddenly. Always ride with your hazard lights on. Look for pedestrians walking between vehicles. Watch for hidden vehicles emerging from side roads.
You are going through a congested tunnel and have to stop. What should you do? Pull up very close to the vehicle in front to save space. Ignore any message signs as they are never up to date. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front. Make a U-turn and find another route. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front. You need to top up your battery. What level should you fill to? The top of the battery, halfway up the battery, just below the cell plates, just above the cell plates. Just below the cell plates, you are approaching crossroads. The traffic lights have failed. What should you do? Brake and stop only for large vehicles. Brake sharply to a stop before looking. Be prepared to brake sharply to a stop. Be prepared to stop for any traffic. Be prepared to stop for any traffic.
You are overtaking a motorcyclist in strong winds. What should you do? Allow extra room. Select one answer. Select one answer. Tailgating means following another vehicle too closely. Select one answer. You are in a line of traffic. The driver behind you is following very closely. What action should you take? Slow down, gradually increasing the gap between you and the vehicle in front. Select one answer. What must you do before stopping normally? Use your mirrors. Select one answer. You are following a learner driver who stalls at a junction. You should be patient as you expect them to make mistakes. Select one answer. You are in a one-way street and want to turn right. You should position yourself in either lane depending on the traffic. In the right-hand lane, just left of the centre line. In the left-hand lane. No through road. T-junction. Develop. These are the ones that might cause you as the driver to slow down or change direction. Just like on the road, some are hazards that you might just need to keep an eye on in case the situation changes. Others will develop, and these are the ones we will measure your response to. You will score points for clicking when you see these hazards develop. So, during the test, watch the clips and respond by clicking the left or right mouse button as soon as you think you spot a hazard. You will need to respond again each time the situation changes. You do not need to use the cursor or move the mouse. As you click, you will see a red flag appear. This is to show that your click has registered. When you click, the clip will not stop running. During the test, you'll be shown 14 clips that contain at least one scoreable hazard. But one of them will contain 2 scoring hazards, so it's essential that you keep concentrating and clicking all the way through each and every clip. Let's have a look at a sample clip. Imagine you're the driver of this vehicle. Here we have highlighted the hazards to show you when to click. These hazards, highlighted with the red circles, are the ones that would cause you to take some form of action. This has turned to red because the situation demands that you slow down and/or change direction. You need to click as soon as you see the clues that lead you to think a hazard is developing. Do remember that during the test you will need to click for all of them. Your response is measured from when the hazard starts to develop, and only your highest scoring click will count. Early responses score 5, and then descend through 4, 3, 2, 1 or 0 for those that you missed completely. At the end of your test, you'll be given your result by the test centre staff. Remember, watch the clips as if you were the driver or rider. Concentrate and respond when you see any clues. You will need to respond every time the situation changes. There might be more than one hazard in the clip. Don't try to cheat by clicking without any thought for what is happening in the clip. If you do, you'll be given this message, and you will score 0 for that clip. Good luck with your test.